You know, sometimes students can be an absolute total challenge. And I had one student who said to me, I want to make an octagon block using this design. And she showed me a small picture from a magazine. She said, I want to make it as a 12-inch finished block. And the design she showed me was this one. And she wanted it to be 12 inches. Now, having made that design, I thought, hey, I could put them together. And you'll notice that on the PDF that you can download, there is actually a picture of what would happen if you put 4 identical blocks together. But I wanted to do something a little different. I wanted to play. And if we look at the quilt on the back here, we've actually got 4 blocks, but 2 go round in one direction and 2 go round the other way. Notice this is spinning round that way, and this is spinning round this way.